friends, and welcome to day 2 of Mama Elephant's October 2024 release. Today we are introducing Follow Llama and its coordinating creative cuts, as well as the Faux 3D boxes creative cuts. And this is what the images look when all stamped out. Aren't these just the cutest llamas you've ever seen? I also think these llamas combine very well with last month's December duo set that also had the critters with the different ugly Christmas sweaters. The illustrations in both these sets are from our designer Ada Zamora. Because this llama without the Christmas sweater would be the fastest to color, I'm showing you that one. And I am using the E40 series to color the fur. As always, I will be listing the colors I use in the description below. After I'm done with the first layer of coloring for the fur, I'm using the darkest marker to deepen the shadows and then also go over it to leave some dots, and I really think this helps create a furry look. And of course, I'm finishing my image with some white gel pen accents. Now let's take a look at the 3D box's creative cuts. There is an outer die for the large box, as well as an outer die for the small box, and then there is one die to create the inside of the boxes. Now all you have to do is fold over these pieces with a bone folder or with your fingers, and you can add some glue and stick it onto your card to create a small pocket, and you can also fit something inside this pocket. Now before I am gluing the top piece onto the bottom piece of the box, I wanted to add some distress ink just to add a little bit more of that dimension. For this purpose, I'm using the colors Vintage Photo and Tea Dye, and I'm using a blending tool. To make the inside of the box much darker than the outside, I'm using some masking tape to mask out the outer edges. And look at that beautiful effect when you peel away that masking paper. Next, we can glue the top pieces to the bottom pieces of our boxes. Next, we can set these aside to dry and continue to our background. And here you can see that you can perfectly add a tag or either a gift card into the pocket you've created. I'm using 3 colors of Distress Oxide ink to create my background. I'm inking these up lightest to darkest, so I'm starting with Salvaged Patina, then continuing to Peacock Feathers, and finally adding some Unchartered Marina. After adding my darkest color, I'm blending everything out with a different tool using the lightest color of ink. Lastly, I'm sprinkling my paper with some white acrylic paint, as you can see here. I'm adding my background to a standard-sized white card base using some tape runner. Next, we can start decorating our scene. I'm starting by gluing down the largest box. To include a sentiment in my card, I added this little tag from the Goody bag topper dies, and I stamped one of the smaller Paola's Merry Wishes sentiments onto the tag. I threaded a piece of hemp cord through the top and the bottom of the box, and I fastened it with some masking tape. You won't notice this at all in the finished card. Now it's time to add our cute llamas. I added this very chill one resting into the corner of my card, and the other llama I wanted to be looking like it's popping out of the box. I added some foam tape to adjust for the height difference in the card, because the faux boxes really pop off your card. I'm finishing up my scene with the tiny hearts included in the set, as well as the gifts that are included. And that finishes my card for today. I really love these cute llamas jumping out of those fun boxes, and I think those boxes also have so many different uses. I hope you've enjoyed this video as well. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3 of introductions. Bye!